Let's see the question number 1. The correct order of n components in its decreasing order of oxidation state is HNO3, NO, N2, NH4, Cl, HNO3, NO, NH4Cl, N2, NH4Cl, N2, NO, HNO3, HNO3, NH4Cl, NO, NO2. Let's see what is the correct answer. Let's see what is the oxidation state of HNO3. Oxidation state of HNO3 is +5. Okay, then oxidation state of N2 is 0. Then oxidation state of NO is +2. Oxidation state of NH4Cl is -3. So we have to do this in decreasing order of oxidation state. So the highest order is HNO3. Okay, HNO3 is here and here and here. So means this is wrong. This is the wrong because it is not having the highest oxidation. Then second, then decreasing is NO. NO, then NO is here, here and not there, not in the fourth. So fourth is the wrong answer. Then next is 0, N2. Then N2 is here and not in the second also. This is wrong. Then fourth is NH4Cl and this is there. So the answer is first, that is HNO3, NO, N2, HNO4Cl. Let's see the answer in the next slide. Yes, the answer is first, that is HNO3, NO, N2, NH4Cl.